Imagi Meira member Hijam Tilotama has accused the center of ignoring the ongoing violence in Manipur after the organization has failed to secure a meeting with President Draupadi Murmu and BJP President JP Nadda, despite sending several requests in this regard. Speaking in this regard, Hijam Tilotama informed that Home Ministry has informed the organization to seek an appointment date with Union Home Minister Amit Shah after a week. While expressing disappointment, Tilotama questioned the center for deliberately ignoring the Manipur issue. She added that the treatment meted out to Indian citizens in Manipur is really dissatisfactory. It may be mentioned that Imagi Meira members have been stationed in New Delhi since March 5, seeking appointment with President Draupadi Murmu and BJP President JP Nadda to raise Manipur issue.
भारत की प्रेसिडेंट अमदी भारत की होम मिनिस्टर ना हौजिक फावगा तुमदुना लाइब्रेरी बसे सही अनि फार फावदा तुमदुना लाइब्रेरी बसिकी मरम करिगिनो गुम्बा करना फावदा था तरुक तुमलबा मतुंगदगी हगोतुना मसागी मतिक मथौना मरिंजेन उथोई अदोबु भारत की मपी मपा ओइबिरिबा नखोइना हौबि फावदा तुमदुना उना उछिनगा थांना खंसिनदना लाइब्रेरी बसिकी मरम करिगिनो नखोइना तौरिबा पॉलिसी असिदा करिगुम्बा अरोनबा खरा अदुम लाइब्रा हाइबसे अखोइना सिंगजै